equipment designed according to biopharmaceutical GMP standards. In the mixing tank, the liquid is heated in a constant movement by means of a high-shear mixer that ensures uniformity. Then, the soil matter enters through a feed hopper attached to a vertically positioned centrifugal pump. The fluid gets into the mixing tank rapidly, creating a vacuum that favors the suction of solids, while a double-walled tube separates the liquid from the solids, avoiding the formation of lumps. Now, once the solution has been stabilized, it is transferred to the buffer tank, the deflector plates, where the solution is tempered to be arranged for the corresponding process. As you see, this machine has the option of cleaning in place, and after the respecting process, it will be ready for packaging. I know it's hard, but now let's look at the summary of the process using this diagram. Now let's talk about cold preparations. These processes are divided into percolating, agitation, and sacralization. Percolation is carried out in a percolator in which the sugar is placed, forming a bed of crystalline sugar, and the water is added in this way. The sugar is dissolved and then the syrup is formed. In agitation, water is placed in a container and then when stirring, sugar is incorporated slowly to avoid increasing viscosity. Syrup viscosity must be close to 190 centipoise at 20 degrees. Sacralization is a system used at the industrial level, and it allows obtaining the simple syrup in cold without agitation and in a continuous way. Syrups prepared in heating are the most common. As an advantage, we have that it is done in large quantities and it promotes the rapid solubilization of sugar. As a disadvantage, we have the risk of caramelization of sugar and fermentation. Now, for this technique, let's heat the water and sugar until it is dissolved and the heat temperature can exceed 60 degrees. We're going to check until the point of thread or pearl point. To make up the weight, we're going to add the same amount of water that was evaporated. Now, dissolve the sugar in water at a temperature below boiling, then raise the temperature quickly until it boils and keep it for a short time. If there's a microbial contamination, it will be destroyed. And for the determination of density, we use the aerometer or pyrometer. Clarifying filtrations. Syrups should have a clear appearance. When they look murky, they must be clarified after preparation. Clarification of the syrup can be achieved by simple filtration through cotton, filter paper, or filter plates. Depending on the viscosity of the syrups, filtration can be carried out by gravity under vacuum or pressure. On the right, a flat cloth filter with lighter paper filters is ready to clarify the syrup as it comes off the evaporator. The clarification can also be given by pressure filtration. The filter press is constituted by a system of stacked plates that inside have a filter of paper or cloth. The foundation of this equipment is to use the mechanical or hydraulic pressure to force the passage of the syrup through the plates.